Hi guys. Welcome back to UFO VPN official channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to change TikTok region. With the recent news saying TikTok could be banned in the US, although it is not forbidden finally, some users are worried that they cannot watch TikTok videos someday. What's more, if some of you want to access a wider variety of feeds and explore diverse content from around the world, this video is helpful for you. We'll walk you through simple steps to change TikTok region. Let's get started. Firstly, changing settings on your phone is an essential step. We use an iPhone as a demonstration in this video. Launch settings on your phone first. Head to the general option. Scroll down the screen to find the language and region. Add language as your preferred language. For example, if you want to change the location to France, please add French as your preferred language. After doing that, head to the region option. Select the region that matches your preferred language. After setting up your language and region, let's change the settings on TikTok app. Launch TikTok app on your phone, then tap to go to your profile. Next, go to the menu on the top right corner and choose the Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down the screen to find Content and Activity, select Language. You will see App Language and Preferred Languages. For the app language, please choose the language as the same as your phone. For the preferred languages, check the languages you want. This option will affect the recommendation on TikTok. For example, if you choose English and French, TikTok will recommend English and French content for you. But how can you watch TikTok videos if it is unavailable in your country or region, or if TikTok is banned for some reason? Using VPN is a good choice for you. UFO VPN features a strict no-logs policy and provides more than 2,000 servers in 50 countries. Whether you use cellular data or Wi-Fi, UFO VPN will give you a faster network speed on gaming, streaming, and browsing. Go to App Store or Google Play Store to download UFO VPN. Then, launch it on your phone to enjoy your TikTok videos now. That's all the above. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.